So good morning children, this is the second video of the story The Last Class, which is written by Alphonse Daudet. So till now in the story what we all have seen that Francis is standing there, he had mixed two words, okay. So Francis is standing there, he will not come, and teacher is saying that I will not scold you little Franz, because always we all were saying that ample time is there, maximum time is there, but what happened, you see that now the government is not only giving the permission to study, where the time is now, okay. And then he is saying that how you can say that you are the Frenchman, because you don't know how to read also your language and you don't know how to write also your language. Then he is saying that page number 5, fourth paragraph, we are going to start from today. Your parents were not anxious enough to have you learn. So the parents were not worried about you that you should learn the French language. They preferred to put you to work on a farm. So what they were preferring, that you should go in the agricultural land and there you should help their parents, or you should work there, or at the meals, or in the meal you should work, so as to have a little more money, so that you can earn little bit more money. And I have been to blame also. See how nice this teacher is, no? First he is saying that I will not scold you, then he is saying that your parents are responsible for this, then he is saying that I am also responsible for this. Have I not often sent you to water my flower instead of learning your lesson? So many times this also happened, that I have not taught you all. I sent that today class is off and children are asked to go to the garden and they are asked to pour the water to the flowers. And when I wanted to go fishing, did I not just give you a holiday? Question mark. Means whenever I wanted to go for fishing, that day I declare simply that today is holiday, without any festival, without any reason, okay. Then from one thing to another, Mr. Hamel went on to talk of the French language. And that day what happened? Mr. Hamel has started talking of the French language from one point to another, saying that it was the most beautiful language in the world. So which language is the most beautiful language, children, in the world? Which language is the most beautiful language in the world? According to Mr. Hamel, listen this very carefully, okay, this is going to be very interesting. So according to Mr. Hamel, French is the most beautiful language in the world. If you ask me that, sir, which language is the most beautiful language according to you, I will say that though I am English teacher and I am teaching English from the beginning of my profession, but I will say that the most beautiful, okay, language is Hindi, because this is my mother tongue, because this is the language which no need of me for studying. When I was small, I started speaking this language only. So the beautiful language can depend on the mother tongue. So which mother tongue is in that country, they will say that is only the most beautiful language, okay. So that we have to understand, okay. For example, children, if I will ask from you all that who is the best lady in this world, so you all will say that, sir, my mother is the best lady in this world. But what I will say that your answer can be correct according to you, but for me, my mother is the best lady in this world, and we both can be correct, Same way here he is saying that French is the most beautiful language in the world, the clearest, the most logical, that we must guard it among us and never forget it. So what our responsibility should be, that we are protecting our knowledge, okay, we are protecting our language, we are guarding us, and this language should be with us. We are never forgetting this, because when a peoples are enslaved, as long as they hold fast to their language, it is as if they had the key to their prison. This line is very important, children. This line is speaking that till the peoples are slave, okay, till the peoples are slave, they are having one key to the prison. They can become independent only if they have protected their language. Then the sense of unity will be there with their own peoples, and sense of difference will be there with the others people, those who are becoming the ruler now. So he is encouraging everyone to protect the language. Then he opened a grammar and read us our lesson. Then he started opening the grammar book and started reading the lesson. I was amazed to see how well I understood it. And Hamel, when Mr. Hamel was teaching, that time Franz is saying that I was amazed to look, I was able to understand everything very nicely. And he said, seems so easy, I think too, that I had never listened so carefully. Today he is saying that today it was looking very easy how the teacher was teaching, or maybe the child was giving more focus, so he was able to understand more. It seemed almost as if the poor man wanted to give us all he knew before going away. And that day how Mr. Hamel was teaching, Mr. Hamel was teaching in that manner, like in one day only he want to teach all the children how much he was knowing, how much he was educated, how much he was having the knowledge of the French language. That man was doing that day a lot of struggle, okay. Then, and to put it all into our heads at one stroke. So child is saying that it was looking like that the teacher is trying to put everything in the brain in one stroke only. After the grammar, we had a lesson in writing. So he is saying here that after the grammar, we had a lesson in writing. That day M. Hamel had new copies for us. So that day Mr. Hamel, what he is doing? He is having new copies for the children, written in a beautiful round hand. So these are written in which hand? Round hand. So that time how the teachers were giving the homework, they were writing in the copies and the children had to copy that or write that. What was written? France, Alsace, France, Alsace. So name of the country, the name of the district was written there. They looked little like little flags floating everywhere in the school room, hung from the rod at the top of our desk. You ought to have seen how everyone set to work and how quiet it was. So what he is saying, no, it is very interesting that everyone was working there and everyone were quiet and disciplined. And what was written? France, Alsace and France, Alsace on all the notebooks, and it was looking like floating everywhere in the school room. The teacher is writing and he is passing. So everywhere you can see that notebook only where it is written that France, Alsace, France, Alsace. Then you ought to have seen how everyone set to work, and everyone what they were doing, they were working, okay. Everyone what they were doing, they were working, but all were working quietly. The only sound was the scratching of the pens over the paper. So that time children, only one sound was audible, and the sound was of pen and paper. Once some beetles flew in. So some insects, they started flying in, but nobody paid any attention to them. So now children are also not interested to pay the attention in the things. They all are knowing that something serious happened. Not even the littlest one, who walked right on tracing their fish hooks as if that was French too. So even this boy also, who was trying to have the fish hook, who was thinking that it is also French, means no, the most silly child of the class, who used to create trouble always, that child was also today very serious. On the roof the pigeon cooed very low. So on the roof, what is happening, children? Their pigeons are there, pigeons are the bird, and they are making the sounds very low. And that time what is happening, I thought to myself, will they make them sing in German, even the pigeons? This line is very important. What this line is speaking, that writer is thinking that can they make birds also to speak in Germany? No. Then why they are forcing us to follow other language? Okay, other language. See, like this we can understand with two example, children. If you see any bird, the bird in India, the bird in Japan, the bird in United States of America, the bird in Nepal, any bird. If the bird is belonging to the same family, the bird will creep or make sound in the same tone, right? But the human beings are different. If the human being is born in America, he will start speaking English without learning. If he is born in India, he will start speaking Hindi without learning. If he is born in Russia, he will start speaking Russian. So like this, what we have to understand here, that we have to learn the languages, not the birds, okay? So whenever I looked up from my writing, I saw Mr. Hamel sitting motionless in his chair and gazing first at one thing. So whenever he was writing, no, sometime he was doing head up and looking what is happening in the class. And that time he was able to see that Mr. Hamel is looking motionless. Motionless means a person who is not doing any movement, no movement is there, okay? And he was staring something, right? Staring means looking. For example, this is the water bottle, children, and I am staring it. So giving a continuous look, and it looks like I am thinking something very serious. That is called staring, okay? But I should not stare the water bottle or anyone. But this is only the answer. So whenever I looked up from my writing, I saw Mr. Hamel sitting motionless in his chair and gazing first at one thing, then at another, as if he wanted to fix in his mind just how everything looked in that little school room. So one thing he was looking, then he started looking another thing. Then he started looking another thing. Again he started looking something more. Like he was trying to grasp everything in his mind. Whole classroom he was trying to remember that in this class what was there, what was here, okay? So that in future he may recall. Fancy, for 40 years he had been there in the same place with his garden outside the window and his class in front of him. How interesting it is, no? Someone who has seen the same class for 40 years. Garden is outside, classroom is inside, and today he is looking each and everything like, oh, this thing is kept here, that thing is kept here. Like the person is making the memory very clear in his mind. See, the whole year you are also studying, but the day before examination you are looking, no, that where the questions are, where the important notes are, where the points are. that feeling you can connect and you can understand. Then the last page, page number 8. Just like that, only the desk and benches had been worn smooth. So till now what happened? Only the desk and benches had been worn smooth. They have only become smooth, means new it is coming. The walnut trees in the garden were taller. And now the what is happening? Tree. So when he came after 40 years, what happened? The tree become more taller. Which tree? Walnut trees. So it is nuts only. Walnut trees. And the hope vine that he had planted himself twined about the windows to the roof. So these are the plants, and some changes what happened in the plant, no, that he is discussing. How it must have broken his heart to leave it all. So he is saying that all the things which he has planted, all the garden which he had made, all the children which he had taught, everything now he has to leave and he has to go. So these all things can be heartbreaking, right? See children, if in your childhood you are buying a toy also, and if the toy is new, or if I can say now also, if you buy something new and if it is broken, how much bad you are feeling. See what this person will feel if the person is doing something for 40 long years and suddenly the news is coming like this. But here I will add one more thing also, that at the age of 40 plus 25, 65 year, the peoples are getting a good experience also from the life. So they are able to understand and they are able to face the problem very nicely. Okay, so don't have fear from the life that if this will happen with me, if that will happen with me. Okay, if I will be in the place of Mr. Hamel, or if I will be in place of Franz. No, if the problem is there, you can ask the help from God, right? So what the God used to do? God used to give the strength. I used to believe personally, children, that every problem used to be a learning, which used to make us feel close to the God, right? So for example, if God want to teach you, then what he will do? He will not send you to Oxford University. Why? Because payment also is there, no? He will not send you to Delhi University or IIT or anywhere to study. If God want to teach you, he will send problems to you, right? And by facing the problem, you will learn something. So here that problem only is there, which we have to understand. This is the part of the life. So to hear his sister moving about in his room above, packing with trunks. So the sister is also coming and she is packing with trunks, for they must leave the country next day, and they are asked to leave the country next day. But he had the courage to hear every lesson to the very last. But he is having the courage that 10 children I have listened, and rest all the children today only I will listen. Today I have to leave this country, but today only I will listen. That was Mr. Hamel. After the writing, we had a lesson in history, and then the babies chanted their ba, be, bi, bo, boo. So babies chanted means junior children. Okay, whenever you are in the school, you go to sometime to junior section. Okay, you will come with your hands on the ear. You will come back with your hands on the ear, because they used to shout a lot. Okay, they used to shout a lot. Like one monitor used to be there. Okay, he used to come. He used to say A for apple. So all will shout A for apple, B for ball. So all will shout B for ball. And you cannot stand there. Only the trained teacher or experienced teacher are able to stand there, right? But the children, you ask from children how you are feeling in the class, they used to say it is good. All are shouting, we are also shouting. It is enjoying moment. but for us it is not. Okay, so the babies chanted means repetition of the word ba, be, bi, bu, bo. Down there at the back of the room, old Hauser had put on his specs and holding his primer in both hands, spelled the letters with them. You could see what he too was crying. His voice trembled with emotion, and it was so funny to hear him that we all wanted to laugh and cry. So what he is saying, that he was Mr. Hamel was also becoming very much emotional, and his voice become trembled means started shaking. So it was looking very funny that all started to laugh and cry. All wanted to laugh and cry. Laugh and cry means, laugh means they want to become happy because the teacher is making this type of sound, but they have to cry because the teacher is making this type of sound only to make the children happy, because this is the last day of the class. Ah, how well I remember it, that last class, exclamation mark. And when the last class is there, the teacher also wants to give some special memories, right? So here how Mr. Hamel is giving the special memory by making all the children to laugh. So he is saying, Franz, that oh, that was the last class. All at once the church clock struck 12, and that time only the church clock struck 12. Then the Angelus, at the same moment. So at the same moment, what is happening, children? The trumpets of the Russians, means the soldiers of the Russian returning from the drill, sounded under our window. M. Hamel stood up very pale in his chair. Pale in chair means the color is becoming changed, okay, or we can say colorless. How the sad person is looking, no, like that he started becoming. I never saw him so tall. So that day he was looking very tall. My friend said I, but something choked him. He could not go on. So he wanted to say something. He said, my friends. Now teacher started saying, my friends. Who is the teacher? 65-year-old person. And after that, he has not said anything. Then he turned to the blackboard, took a piece of chalk, and bearing on with all his might, he wrote as large as he could write. So he wanted to say something. He said, my friends. And maybe he was emotionally affected and he was not able to complete. But he has written, what he has written, you see, that Vive la France. Okay. So this he has written in French language. Vive la France. So what is the meaning of Vive la France? The meaning of Vive la France is long live France. Long live France. Long live France. Then he stopped and leaned his head against the wall. Stopped and leaned his head. Leaning means bending the down or bending the head down. And without a word, he made a gesture to us with his hand. School is dismissed. You may go. Without saying, he just showed the hand like this, like go, move. Okay, so this is a very interesting story, children. Now all the feedbacks you are having, that how the story is, right? How nice the story is. Now we can see the question answer. This question answer you all have to do by yourself. So many question answers are there. You all can do all the parts. Understanding the text. The people in this story suddenly realize how precious their language is to them. What shows you this? Why does this happen? Question mark. So I expect that after listening the story and understanding, you are able to do the question by yourself. If any problem you are facing, then we can discuss. Then word meaning is also there, like petite, French, kindergarten, German, capital, No, no. English is language that contains words from many other language. This inclusive is one of the reason it is now a world language. For example, yes, bazaar. So what is bazaar, children? Bazaar is English word also, Hindi word also. Okay, like samosa. Samosa is Hindi word also and English word also. So English is international language. It has become why? Because it used to accept words from most of the languages. Okay, so that we can say English is the international language. So thank you all. Have a very good day.